I am currently at a baby store. It's an Wholesales store in Ibadan actually. Just wanted to start this vlog here. So I am going to be catching you up later in the house. I'm going to be telling you prices of stuff I got here. So peace out. Hey guys, so it's the night of the next day. You guys, when I got to yesterday, I was super tired. I couldn't film anything. I just dropped the stuff in my room and I slept off. So basically, let's get to work. Let me turn the camera to show you guys the stuff I got before telling you all the prices one after the other. So here are what I got. I've not unpacked yet. I just wanted to show you guys all I got. So basically, I'm not sure I can get all of the price off it, but I'm just going to put it on the screen as well. Anyone I can't remember, I'm just going to put it on the screen because I have my invoice with me. So first thing first, I got this cotton wool for 150 naira. I got the wipes for 950 naira. Comfort pad, I got 4 of it and they are for 500 naira each. I got 4. I got this Muffet baby diapers. I got it for 4,500 naira. I got this shawl as well. I got this baby shawl for 1,500 naira. I got this cute set of clothes and it has it has shawl inside and it comes with baby's outfit, the cap, the mitten, and the socks as well. I got it for 4,500 naira. I got this big Dettol. It has sanitizer in it. I got it for 1,250. I got this lattice gloves. It's a pack. So I got this pack for 3,200 naira. I got these tissue papers, 100 naira per one. I got this foldable series. It's usually for sponge, baby sponge. So you just try and set it. I got this foldable for 550 naira. I got just a pair of outfits. I got this for 750 naira. This clip, I got it for 320 naira. It's a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 24 in it. 320 naira. I got this Dettol as well. I got this small Dettol for 370 naira. I got jig as well. I got it for 600 naira. Just one of it. I got this towel for baby. I got just one. It's actually okay for a baby. I got it for 1,350 naira. Then I got this mucus extractor. I got it for 200 naira each. 200 naira per one. Mucus extractor. I got this bib. Oh my goodness, I so much love this. I got 3 of it. 1, 2, 3. And it goes for 400 naira each. 400 naira each. I got this cute cap. I got it for 390 naira. I got Goya oil. I got Goya oil for 550 naira. I got glucose D. I don't know why it's not focusing. Glucose D for 800 naira. I got this dusting powder. dusty powder for 580 naira. I got this mentholatum. I got it for 280 naira. I got this cute sponge, very fluffy. I love the fact that it's so soft. It's going to be cool on a baby. It's actually for baby, so I got it for 150 naira. I got breast pads. It has 4 in it. I got for 200 naira. This pack, a pack of 4, 200 naira. I got these cute socks for 1,100. It's a set of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1,100 naira. Powder puff, 450 naira. Cord clamp for 50 naira. Cord clamp 50 naira. So I got this spirit for 350 naira. So I got baby oil, I got baby lotion, and I got baby powder, all in Cussons products. The baby oil I got for 750 naira for baby oil. Baby lotion I got it for 450 naira. Baby powder I got it for 480 naira. I got this razor blade, a pack of razor blade. I got it for 200 naira, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I got it for 200 naira. And I got this cute lovely plate. It comes with a spoon, and I got this cute loving baby cup as well. I got the plate and cup for 700 naira. I got this as well. I got it for 150 naira. Cutting board, it's 100 in it, so I got it for 150 naira. I got this cute looking wardrobe, baby wardrobe. It has zip. Once I set up the cabinet, it has cabinets. Let me show you the side. It has compartments like this, and I'm just going to wear the clothes like this. So baby wardrobe, I'm sure my baby will use this for about few months before I get a bigger one. All of this wooden wardrobe, but this for the first few months. I got this wardrobe for I got this wardrobe for 9,500 naira. This wardrobe I got it for 9,500 naira. I got this baby bath set as well. It has the baby bath, it has bowl. What else? I think it has a bucket, it has a basket as well. It has this potty for baby. So baby bath set, basically I got it for 4,850 naira, if I'm not mistaken. Lastly, I got this baby dryer, baby clothes dryer. I don't know if you guys can see it. I got this baby dryer. I got it for 7,900 naira. So basically those are everything I got for 60,000 naira, 60 plus or thereabouts. Yeah, because if I'm to calculate, I think it's about 60,000 naira basically. So these are stuffs I got. Okay, I don't know what price you got yours. Yours might be different, but I got mine in an wholesale store. I actually don't know how much you get yours. So this basically it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you so much. I just wanted to update you guys because I started the vlog yesterday, and I'm just going to end it with the prices of stuffs I show you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like my video, share with your family and friends. You actually don't know who might need the prices of stuffs like this, so you guys just share my video. I would appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be seeing you in my other video. Bye guys.
but recently I just